Up Studio. In today's video, we will talk about painting a still life with a burning candle and dark background. This still life continues the series of videos that I made about painting bright lights and shimmering darks. I hope you check them out as well. I will leave you links in the description and also in the card on top here. And for this particular still life, I used mixed media technique. And why did I decide to use that technique? The challenge with this composition, and I'll show you the reference photo, was that first of all, it's pretty complex composition. It has a lot going on, but there was that branch that was in front of the candle, and the branch is light and the candle is dark, so it was challenging to paint around that branch to leave it light. And there are some branches also here and kind of in the background. So I resolved that problem by using oil pastels to draw those branches. And another material that I used, you see those kind of shimmering lights in the distance. So I thought using white ink, it's Dr. Page Martin's pen white, will work really well because the consistency of the ink is pretty runny kind of, it's not super viscous, and it worked really well for splattering. You will see in the video I drew those little branches with oil pastels, and I splattered some white ink, and you will see how I did it in this video. And you will also notice that I changed up the composition a little bit. It's important to make those artistic decisions. I made mine kind of halfway through the painting when I noticed that this bow on the left is kind of unbalanced, so I added another bow on the right to balance it. So we need to make those artistic decisions when we work on the painting, but hopefully not midway, but before we get started. So here is the video. Still life with burning candle and dark background, painted with watercolor, oil pastels, and white ink. found it useful and you will give it a try, this mixed media technique. Let me know in comments if you did and if it worked out the way you wanted it. This technique works for a variety of subjects, not just still life. So let me know if you tried it for some other subjects besides still life. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video here on Time Wrap Studios channel.